This is the Aladdin Blue Flame Kerosene Heater. Hello! Today we're doing an unboxing of a kerosene heater, namely the Aladdin Blue Flame. The Aladdin Blue Flame Heater. I'll just show you the box on the sides. Okay. Here are the instruction manuals and the operating documents. And let's get to it. Comes with a cover for the heater. And this is how it looks like here. It has a this knob here is used for adjusting the wick height. Flip this open and this opens up the heater itself. Has this covered burner, piece of plastic with a band. Take that off. It's nice there. And let's see. Oh. Turn this up here. Oh, you can see the wick coming up here. Adjusting the knob. Fuel gauge here. There's a rubber band which holds a this is a wick cleaner tool, and this portion here is the fuel tank cap. This is the unboxing. Aladdin kerosene heater. This is an 18-liter tank which has the kerosene, and which I'm going to use to fill up the heater. And this is a battery operated kerosene pump which I will attach here, and I'll use it to pump out the kerosene, to pump it into the kerosene heater. So see how it goes. It operates on 4 AAA batteries, and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, I just took the kerosene pump out of the case and just open it up here. And I've got my batteries. One, two, three, four. And I just put this into the tank here, and I can operate it by just pushing this forward, and you can hear it working, pump. Okay, so let's get on with it. Well, what I like about this pump is that it automatically stops when it gets up to a certain level. It has a little holder here so that I can put the tip back in and stick it right over here. Then put this cap back on. So let's see. Right now my fuel capacity is showing that it's close to half, so I think I'll add some more. This is the first lighting of this kerosene Aladdin blueflame kerosene heater, and it is the end of, or November the 21st, and we're going into Thanksgiving a week next week, so now I want to get prepared for the cold weather here. So here we go with the first lighting. So we open it up. Put the switch up here on this, and then we push the wick up. you can see it's going into its blue flame mode here. It's very quiet. It's nice. I like this black. Let's see if we can get a closer shot here of the blue flame. Okay, well this knob says turn counterclockwise to turn off, so you can see how it color turned yellow. I'm turning it back and it's returned to its blue flame, but if I turn it counterclockwise as the knob indicates, this is what happens. Turns yellow, flame goes out. And here we have it, the Aladdin blue flame kerosene heater. Requires no electricity, but you need to start it up. And it runs for 15 hours overnight on a full tank of kerosene. So here you go.